So I'm just editing the video on the screen here, and I forgot to record an intro and an outro. So this is that, yeah. Okay, so basically, why am I talking about? Yeah, I'm just gonna do an intro. Yo, so I did a photography challenge. Yeah, it's a very weird video. It's very mixed up. It's just a weird video, but I think the end photos come out well. So if you stick along for that long, at the end I review them. I think they came out well. So I would appreciate if you watch the video. So yeah, and then I'll see you in the outro. Peace.
Is it recording? This is recording. God, this is not going well. But the good thing is, hold up, I got a balloon. I'm gonna pop it. Should I have put dye in it? Probably. That would have been sick. Hey ho. We're gonna try and I'm gonna end this. We're gonna try and find a place to put this up, and then we shall go. Recording this for the purpose that if it breaks, it looks sick. Okay. I'm trying to tie it onto here, but it doesn't really want to work. But at least if it breaks, I get covered in water and I get it on video. For the tube, you know. I don't know if I want to put this underneath the balloon, put the glass container above it, and then it will go onto it. But it's just this thing swaying, I don't trust it. Okay, I'm back. Last time when I did this, I did use just the bottle. I've got syringes. Okay, let's give this a shot. I have the red substance. Yeah. Let's give it a go. Didn't go into plan. I'm gonna leave this for now. Throw that in there. Oh, that's gross. I'll come back later and I'll do some night photography because that's sick. But whilst I wait, I shall go edit this video. So I will see you in about 5 hours. See ya. An idea. So basically, I'm thinking of doing this. Obviously this will be on fire though, so it all looks sick, yeah. But I don't know when to do it. So I'm gonna try and replicate them at daytime and nighttime to see which one turns out better. But yeah, I think this will look pretty sick. Me just like that. Like I'm holding fire. So that's sick. So I'll give that a go and we'll see how that turns out.
Yo, so basically the aim of today's video was to get some dope as fuck Instagram photos, yeah? I don't know what I'm doing with these hand gestures. Yeah, but that's the aim of today's video, or was. Still, I'm doing it now. So basically, don't know where. The photos should be out by now, so I'll just, there, just put one in a box like there. Yeah, good. Put another one here. Let's just throw one up on the screen and see. Look, I'm a professional. No, I'm not, but still, I could be. So yeah, they probably already have on Instagram before this video will go up. So yeah. Oh god. This is fun. Yeah, so that's the end of today's video. I've got it all set up out there. Hold up. Wait a minute. I've got my tripod with my little timer on it. Yeah, so I can just plug that into the camera. And then I can press that button, it will sap it down. Newspaper there to light on fire because it will look fucking sick. And yeah, a water bottle just in case something goes wrong. It won't, obviously, because I'm never wrong, but I think. Oh, the lighting in here is outrageous. Yo, okay, so I just got done going through all of the, not going through them, just taking them, obviously. We're going to skip past these ones because these ones are kind of shit. I'm looking more at the fire ones. The fire ones looked like 10 times better and they were more fun than the water ones. I'm going to try the water ones again at some point, but don't really know when. That one's just a small fire. There it starts getting a bit bigger. The problem is there was loads of wind and it started blowing it everywhere, so it was really bad. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I think this looks sick. Oh, I don't know which one I like. That one. Or yeah, I think that one's pretty good. No, that one's probably the best. Because it just looks better, but okay. These were the other ones. My keyboard is very multicolored and very loud. Focus, 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 focus. Oh. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so there's daytimes. I'm not really gonna like. I don't think I'm gonna like them ones. I mean, let's jump. You know, let's go through these ones. I think these ones were sick, but I mean, I can obviously edit them so like the fire's even on both sides, which I probably will if I pick one of these. Okay, so that one's pretty good. This one, I don't really know what I was aiming for, but I was aiming for something. You are hearing so many clicks, and I'm so sorry. Okay, these were, yeah, this is when it got dark. This was good. The problem with this, for some reason, it just wouldn't light. I don't get why, but if it like it only lit one side of it, I should have done it from the bottom. But I tried blowing out there with my mask, and it didn't really work, did it? Okay. Oh, there you go. I forgot to put my mask on. And then I drop that. That burns. I fucking shit myself. It goes shit wrong. And yeah, that was fun, wasn't it? Okay. That one's not bad. Maybe I could go in Photoshop and just cut that side out, like, and duplicate on the other side so it looks more even. I think that would be sick, because look, my head just fits like, I think that was good. So hold up. I need one that looks like decent where I actually look at both sides. I have to pick one of these out. It's starting a bit. Yeah, no, these ones are definitely the best. I'm just going to go through and like the ones that I thought were good. If it comes to it, I can just mix the flames up, so. Okay, next ones. Tap 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 tap. Oh my god, this is annoying. Oh yeah, then it just caught on fire, so really badly. That's pretty sick actually. Just like a unicorn. It's not a bad one. Yes, again, I am not a good photographer. I'm trying. Yeah, I prefer more stuff like this. In school, we do such fucking boring shit. Hate it. I think these are pretty sick ones because like it just goes like cuts across my face. Oh, I like that one. That one's good. Yeah, there we go. They're the good ones. I drop it and then I tread on it because I'm a dumbass. That's not a bad one. Did you see my eyes rolling? I love doing this because it goes through so well. Tap 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 tap. And then I just kept on snapping it, but they got really out of focus at that point, so they aren't too good. Yeah, these were this one. Okay. Basically doing like a night versus day sort of thing. That's what I was going for at least, but yeah, I did that. That was a very dumb idea because then it caught fire up the top bit right next to my hand. Yeah, no, this is the first set of these I did. Oh, that one looks good. I like that one. Yeah, I like that. I like it where it's like symmetrical. That was like a big boom on that side. And then my hand got engulfed in flames. That was fun. My chair, it's really annoying. I like the ones where it's my fist in focus and the flames and I'm just in the background. These ones are sick. If it comes to it, I'm going to crop some fire onto them. Crop, is that the right word? I don't know. Yeah, but these ones are definitely more of my favourite ones. So I'm telling you to fuck off. Yeah, no, I do like it. I prefer. I'm gonna work on the night ones. I'm back again. How you doing? So if you did see obviously you saw the intro because that's the beginning of the video. I'm moving this camera too much. Yeah, if you did enjoy the video, if you did think the photos are cool, obviously follow me on my Instagram. It will be like right above. It will be like my eyelashes. Yeah, eyebrows. Yeah, that will be like where my Instagram is. I'll just put that in there. Yeah. Follow me on Twitter and everything. That will also be in the description with my Instagram, obviously. And check out other videos. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Yeah, so, oh my god, the lighting's really bad. See ya.